cabin tour of E-257 here on the Carnival Paradise. First, when you come in the door, you got your shelves with your safe, 2 drawers, and some shelves. As we spin around, they are located on the very aft of the ship. Now, these were added balconies about 5 or 6 years back that they did on here. There's your light switch, which turns on the lights for the whole room, the light switch for the bathroom. And the bathroom is your standard regular balcony sink and your toilet. Now, some of the toilets are at angles. This one's straight. Then you have your closets. Life jackets up top, and you have a second closet for your hanging clothes. Further into the room, you have your shelves, your phone. Again, just 2 120 and 1. This one does have USB ports, 2 of them by the desk, and then you still have your 1 European outlet. You have your refrigerator down below. And you have your bed, a couple of nightstands, which this bed can still make 2 beds out of 1. Your TV, a little bit of a stand there. Same thing over here again, 2 USB ports by the bed to charge those phones and those iWatches. Then you should have your switch back here, which you do, which turns off all the lights when you go to bed. Has your standard older time thermostat control, which just basically lets more air in or less air in. And then outside, one thing I love about these, the new cruise ships and the new cabins on Carnival, is the sliding glass doors. Remember, it's a $500 fine if you get caught smoking out here. Now, one thing you'll notice out here is it's pretty loud back here, but you do have a really good sized balcony. Can't see anybody above you or below you, the way it's angled. Now, next to you, you could peek around the corner, and there's your view on the back of the ship.